Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, this cool Miss right here, and basically what this is adjustable bladeless neck fan. You can see it from this fan right here, and this is basically what the product looks like. So the one that we got right here is a dark green color. They do have this available in like gray and pink as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. So first thing first, I'm actually open the product to show you guys what the product looks like first. So when you guys first open up, this is what it looks like inside. Let's take it out. So first thing you see inside, they provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set the product and how to use it. Next up right here, you can see they provide guys a USB to USB-C cable. So you definitely use this to recharge the actual product. And right here, you can see we do have the actual product that's all nicely wrapped. Let me actually remove the wrapper first. Alright, so once we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. And like I mentioned for this product, it is adjustable. So if you guys want to turn it this way, you can definitely do that. If you guys want to turn it back, you can definitely go the other way like this, which is pretty awesome. And that's really cool, so that way you guys can actually angle the neck fan to a certain angle to target certain parts of like your face, your neck, or whatever to cool you guys down during the hotter days. But this is basically what the product looks like when you guys first get it. If you turn it to the other side, this is what it looks like on this side right here. So you see right here, we do have the USB-C output, and that is where to plug in the cable to recharge it. I believe that's an indicator light to show you guys when it's charging or when it's not charging. And if you see it inside right here, this is basically the button to actually activate the product. So I'm assuming once you guys press that button right there, you guys can change the different speed on here. If you guys turn it to the other side right here, you can definitely see the brand logo right there. But this is basically what the product looks like when you guys first take it out. Definitely feels pretty nice and definitely feels like a high quality material as well. So when you guys activate the product, you can definitely feel the air coming out from here, and also on the side right here as well. But definitely when you guys feel the material on here, it's a little bit stretchy. It's not like super stretchy, but it's good enough to give you guys a good support and also give you guys that stretchable option to actually fit it through your neck. And before you guys use the product, you want to take this part out here first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, you guys can start using it. So I just put this around my neck first to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so once you guys put it on, this is what it looks like right here. So I'm actually turn it on to test it out. So I press it one time. I can definitely feel the wind on here like instantly. So I want it to blow towards me. I basically just want to turn it this way. Just like that. And just angle however I want to. But this is basically what it actually sounds like on speed level 1. If I increase the speed level on here, this is speed level 2. This one's definitely a little bit louder, but you can definitely feel a lot more of that wind on here. Let me press it one more time. Alright, so when I actually press it again, you can definitely hear it that's even louder. But definitely when you gotta feel the air on here, it's actually much colder and actually much stronger as well. So there's 3 different speed levels on here when you guys actually activate it. And for different speed level on here, they call it either the big turbine or the small turbine. So obviously if you guys use it on the third one, that one is much more powerful and that gives you guys a rapid cooling option. But if you guys plan on using it for a long time throughout the day, you probably want to turn it on the lowest speed level, which is a small turbine. But definitely once you guys activate the product and start using it, no matter which speed level you guys are on, it definitely gives you guys that really nice cool effect on here. And when you guys look at the actual product right here, it definitely looks much bulkier than your typical neck fans. But definitely when you guys feel the wind and the cooling effect on here, it's actually much more powerful than the other ones I've tested so far. And it's not that heavy either, it's actually pretty lightweight. But now let me just plug in the cable to show you guys how to charge it first. Alright, so basically I want to plug it in right here. If you can see where I should plug it in, you can definitely see a red indicator light right here to show you guys that it is charging. So I'm assuming once it's fully charged, that light should turn off or just change the green color. But that is basically how you guys know when the product is charging or not. Let me actually turn on the product to see when it actually still works while it's charging. Alright. So it doesn't actually work when you guys are charging, so you definitely need to fully charge it before you guys use it. In terms of the battery life on here, how long does it last? So one full charge can give you guys a maximum of 7 hours of usage. And that is if you guys use it at the lowest speed level. If you guys use it at the highest speed level, which is speed level 3, you most likely will not get that full 7 hours that they mentioned. You probably get anywhere like 2 to 3 hours of usage. And in terms of the charging time on here, how long does it take to fully charge it? It'll take roughly around 2 hours to fully charge it from 0 to 100%. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this bladeless neck fan, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially trying to look for some way to actually cool down during like the hotter days like summertime or whatever. And if you guys like everything that's actually included in here in terms of the different speed level on here, and also if you guys like the adjustable option on here as well, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.